If you use Asana to manage your tasks or projects, connecting it with Claude can make your workflow so much faster. Instead of manually writing task descriptions, updating statuses, or organizing your projects, you can just ask Claude to do it for you. It can create tasks, rewrite updates, summarize long messages, and help you keep everything clean and organized. In this video, I will show you how you can connect and use Asana connector in Claude AI. So the first thing is we have to connect this connector, so we can do that through the settings. So if you click on your profile, then settings, and here we can go to connectors, then browse connectors, and simply search for Asana. Connect Asana to coordinate tasks, projects, and goals. Simply click on this plus icon. And now we can connect this connector using MCP server. So we want to allow this access to Asana MCP. All right, so we're gonna click on allow. And now this should make our connector connected. So as you can see, connected to Asana. Now you can click on configure and you can configure all of your permissions from here. So you can keep it on needs approval and then you will allow it when Claude is going to ask you for permission. All right. So now we can test it. So I'm going to open a new chat. And for example, I have more projects over here in Asana. So I have some tasks, I have some website redesign for my client. Then we have some, for example, content which I want to create. And we have then some team operations. I have like so many tasks over here and I don't know exactly what should I start, let's say, my morning with. With Claude, we can do this instantly. We're just going to write some prompt to him and he's going to tell us and search all those data for us. So I'm going to open Claude. I want from Claude to look through my Asana tasks across my all projects. And I want to know what are the 3 most urgent things I need to deal with today, what has deadline coming up in next 2 days, and is there anything that's been sitting incomplete for more than a week. It's going to tell us exactly what should we do, what should we start with. So I'm going to send this prompt. And as I said, now you can allow like permissions, so you can choose if you want to allow always this specific permission, or you can allow it only once for this task. Claude created these 3 most urgent things as I wanted. And the first one is about my website redesign for the client. Form submissions aren't reaching the CRM. So this is the first thing I should do. And it's due today, April 28th. Then second one is again with the client project and there is due April 27. So this is already 1 day overdue and the client is waiting on those Figma files and I still haven't managed to send it to him. So this is as well urgent. So this is really useful to save you maybe hours of works because you don't have to manually search for things like this and you can just ask Claude and it's going to show you everything. We have also deadlines in the next 2 days. We have forgotten, incompleted for +7 days, so that's like 1 week. So I'm going to add another prompt where we are asking about tasks which I have to absolutely like do today and which can realistically wait tomorrow without causing any problems. And this basically is going to tell you what needs to happen today and what's fine to like push without like real damage, all right? Now we can move to second example, which is about building a whole project. So I created this prompt where I want to create a new Asana project called December Content Launch and set it up with the sections and tasks for full content launch workflow. Assign tasks based on roles. Anna handles design, Martin writes content, Sarah manages scheduling and social, and I'm project manager. And we want to include some content planning, some creating graphics and stuff like that. So I'm going to send this prompt and currently I don't have those people in my workspace. I created this as an example. So it's not going to assign those exact person like Martin or Sarah. But if you have those persons in your Asana workspace, you can basically type their name and you can assign tasks to them with Claude. So we are just going to write like Anna handles design, and then it's going to assign the design's tasks to Anna automatically. All right, so now after this is done, we can see it. We can see some summary from Claude, and you can also open it as well from this hyperlink. Open it over here. So you can open this external link, and it's going to basically redirect you to the workspace. So here we can see we have content planning over here, and it's basically assigned all of the tasks are assigned to myself because I'm only one in this workspace. And if you, for example, click on a specific task, I can click on this and you can see also some description of the task created with Claude. So you want to map out every piece of content, a blog post, social email, graphics, etc. So this is really useful. Now then we have, for example, blog post writing, we have some graphics and visuals. If you want, you can also open it in the list. So I'm gonna check it over here, and you have all of the due dates over here and everything. Another way how we can use Asana with Claude is, for example, if you just got out of the meeting and you've got a voice note or some messy PDF file with the notes, what you can do, you can upload this file directly in the Claude. So I can click on add files and we can upload the meeting notes over here. Turn those notes into proper Asana tasks and put each one in the most relevant existing project. Set the priorities based on what sounds urgent, and if the person is mentioned for something, assign it to them. So currently, as I said, I'm only one in the workspace, so this is not going to work, this last thing with assigning, but for you it's going to work and we can test it. If is it going to extract the tasks from the PDF file from my notes. So let me check what project exists, and this is going to now find the projects which could be potentially fit for those tasks. So we can see all of the tasks which should be added. It added 6 tasks in team operation project and 1 in the website redesign for the client project. So we can open this and we can look through this. So I can open web redesign. And as you can see, we have this new task. No one is assigned because I don't have those people in my workspace, but you can tell Claude. So we have this task, and in team operation, we should have those 6 tasks. And there is also some due date on those 2 tasks based on the notes. And we have also some work categories. So this is client communication, client delivery, sales and contracts, team and HR. So this is another way what you can do with Asana and Claude. Now we can, for example, create also some weekly report from your Asana. So you want from Claude to look at my Asana projects and write a weekly progress report for a client. Cover this past week only, and this is what you want to include. And the client doesn't use Asana, so don't mention task names or project names directly. Just describe the work in plain language. Keep it 150 words, and here you can see, like, for example, the whole email which you can send to your client, and you can see what we completed this week, what we are currently working on, what is coming up next week, and things to flag. So this was like a quick video and some simple examples how we can use Asana with Claude AI. It's a very useful thing because it can save you a couple of hours of your work. So if you found this video at least a little bit helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.